Hi, hello class. My name is Jorge Quintero and today I'm going to be talking about the engineer Gerald Lawson. My general purpose today is to inform you guys a bit more about one of the engineers that explored the gaming world, and my specific purpose is to inform you guys or to inform the audience of information about the great engineer Gerald Lawson using topical patterns and chronological patterns. Now, Gerald Lawson was the black engineer who led the designing of the earliest game consoles. The reason why his fund was so important in the gaming industry is because so much of today founding jobs opportunities are about social networking and people you interact with in a professional as well as a social basis. Now, among many initiatives, the company it is involved in middle schools by supporting STEAM programs, especially for young girls. These programs include Girls Make Games and Games of Change. Now, the Gerald Lawson endorsement fund was set up to help Black and Indigenous students who wish to pursue an undergraduate or graduate degree in video game design and computer science. He also helped to increase minority representation in the gaming and tech industry. Jim Handley, a USC interactive media and game professor, told Insider, Take-Two Interactive, a New York-based publisher and creator of games such as Grand Theft Auto 5 and Red Red Redemption via Rockstar Games labeled, was among the contributors of the first seed foundings, making a significant endowment to create the initiative. Now I'm going to start with one of his many contributions that I have selected for you guys today. Lawson helped to create the Fairchild channel, a home entertainment machine that was produced in 1976 by Fairchild Semiconductor, where he worked as a director of engineer and marketing. Lawson worked allowed people to play a variety of games in their homes and paved the way for the systems such as Atari 2600, Nintendo, Xbox, and PlayStation. Fairchild Channel was the first cartridge video game console released for commercial sales ever. In helping create the Fairchild Channel, Lawson helped revolutionize the entire gaming industry. The second main point I wanted to talk to you guys about today was that he also designed the swappable game cartridges based on technology licensed from Apex. At the time, most game systems had the game programming built in into the hardware so it could not be removed or changed. By adding this feature called Apex, it allowed the games to be stored as a software on a removable ROM cartridges. Lawson and his team refined and improved this technology called Apex. This will allow users to buy a library of games and provide a new revenue stream for the console's manufacturer through some sales of games. Now, and also in March 2011, Lawson was honored as an industry pioneer for his work and game cartridges concept by the International Game Developers Association. He also was honored with the ID Xbox Gaming Heroes Award at the 21st Independence Gaming Festival on March 20, 2019. And finally, my main point was that he created an early coin-operated arcade. His curiosity eventually brought him from his hometown to Queens, New York to Silicon Valley Fairchild Camera and Instrument Corp. Here, Lawson discovered the first arcade video games and computer space. This game inspired him to create the Demolition Derby, a coin-operated game he built in his garage, completed in early 1975 using Fairchild new microprocessor and tested in the Nervy Pizza parlor. Demolition Derby was among the earliest microprocessor-driven games. There was some of those. This was some of the points that interested me the most, but he is especially important in the growth of the gaming industry. Gerald Lawson was a striking figure in the progress of discovering, implementing the gaming world. And his fund also help Black and Indigenous students who wish to pursue undergraduate degrees in video game design and computer science. I hope that with this information you guys could understand and visualize Lawson discovering and how interesting they are. I wish you guys enjoy, and I'm looking forward to hearing you guys' speech as well. Thank you. Have a good day.